Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the ACDelco Gold 49AGMHR 36-month warranty high reserve AGM BCI Group 49 battery. This premium aftermarket replacement part is manufactured to meet specifications for fit, form, and function for General Motors vehicles, as well as most makes and models. What sets the ACDelco Gold battery apart is its 36-month warranty and high reserve capacity, ensuring reliable power for your vehicle. Some of you might recognize this battery as the ACDelco Professional, but rest assured, it's the same trusted quality you've come to expect from ACDelco.so. Whether you're driving a General Motors vehicle or any other make or model, the ACDelco Gold 49AGMHR battery is a dependable choice. Don't settle for anything less than the best for your car. Get the ACDelco Gold 49AGMHR battery now and drive with confidence. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on the ACDelco Gold battery and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and automotive tips. Thanks for watching.